Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And as you see, I have my sister Tapping Flamingo with me.
Hello, everybody.
And we have Dolly mail. You have Dolly mail too, right?
I do.
So in order to make sure that this video is not like 3 hours long, we're going to split this video up. And one of us is going to open up her package, and then I will make that a video, and then the other person will open up her package and I will make that a separate video. But we're kind of filming together at this point because they're related. So I sent her something and she sent me something. This was a tradesy. Okay. So for this video, we're going to have Terry open up her mail, and then in the next video I will open up my mail from her. Okay.
All right.
So what did I send you, Terry?
I have had this box for some time, and to avoid all the noise, I went ahead, opened it, and pulled all the paper out. She packaged this really nicely.
Yeah, I had a lot of stuff in here.
And just the little backstory on this. So I have a couple of Blythe dolls. One whose name is Coco, looks like Tammy. And then I thought, oh, I'm going to have to get one like a mini me. So the other one that I got, I've named her Sunshine. And so I thought, you know what? There's 3 sisters. I need to get our baby sister. So this is this one. It looks like I got other stuff in here, which let's do the doll thing first. I'm excited about that.
Yeah.
Doll, all wrapped up in a bubble thing. Oh, and she's dressed.
Yes.
Thank you. And here she is.
Yeah, I changed her hands out for you too a little bit. I thought it would be cute to have her together.
Peace, baby. And she's got some underwear too, I've noticed, which is great. Yes. We all need our little undies. But this is actually perfect. I think it looks a lot like our sister Tracy.
Yeah.
And before I got her, I was thinking a kind of a beach name. I was thinking maybe Sandy Piper or something like that. But our sister's nickname growing up was Sparkle Plenty.
Oh, yeah.
I think I can name her that, Sparkle Plenty.
That's perfect. Yes.
I think it's
there
perfect.
You go. Yeah.
Look at her hair.
Sparkle Plenty. Woo.
That's so pretty. It looks a lot like Tracy's hair too.
Yes,
Tracy's got real pretty color hair. She's not blonde like the other 2 here.
Yeah, she's always had darker hair. She used to have like a few sun streaks, but her hair was always wavy, curly, and not like crazy curly, but like
just the perfect amount of curls.
Yeah.
I remember when she was little, she used to get these little ringlets.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not us, straight.
Yeah. So show us your change your eyes out for us. So she's got those are side, what are those, side gray?
These are side gray. Let me get her cord all. Okay, so we have the side gray. Ooh, those are pretty. Look at those. Kind of like a minty turquoise.
Those are pretty.
And these are brown, side brown. Kind of like it's almost a golden brown.
Like a root beer color.
Root beer, exactly. Ooh, blue. I like the blue.
Yes, and she has blue eyes. Our sister has blue eyes.
Tracy has blue eyes. So here she is.
There she is. Perfect. Well, I'm glad you like her.
Right? Is that all the colors? Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So there was 2. The front facing are green or blue. The side is brown or gray.
Right. And she's got little holes in her ears or some earrings.
Yeah, you'll have to make her some earrings for sure.
Oh, definitely. I'll have to make her a little pull cord charm thing and some earrings.
Oh, yes. Cute.
Yes.
With a little peasant dress on.
Yes. The cute little. Did you make this dress?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
That's cute.
Yes. I have more of that fabric. I need to make another one. I think that turned out cute.
It is cute. I love polka dots and I like yellow. So
yes.
Thank you. Now I've got the 3 sisters. So they're going to be starring in their own videos here on down the line. Of course, with jewelry.
Then you have in your collection, you have 3 of yours and 1 of somebody's that is on loan to you.
Yes. Do you want me to go get them? And
she's under house protection.
She's in my house protection. Yes. Her home base, her true home base. We have small children. And one of them really likes dolls, and she's just not quite old enough for something like this yet.
Yeah.
But I am sure that she is going to be probably in the hands of that little girl someday.
Yes. Yeah. Let's see your other doll. Are they nearby? Can you come
Yes.
can you get them?
Okay. So
Yeah,
after I show you these dolls, I'm going to show you all the other little goodies that she sent me, which are really pretty cool. In fact, one of them I'm going to show you right now.
Oh,
So
she's in her little Halloween outfit already.
Yes, this is
Halloween
Sunshine. This is October 1st we're filming this, so you know we have to get into our Halloween mojo.
Yes. Cute. Oh.
This was in the box too. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
I love
That's
these
perfect
hats.
with that dress. Yeah, I just
Isn't
tossed
it?
that in there because I had some extra ones I had bought. We were doing a Mad Hatter Tea Party Club Rush thing at the college, and I bought those on Amazon. I had no idea what size. I knew they were small, but I had no idea. And they fit the Blythe doll, so.
I know. She looks much better in a hat than I do. Unfortunately, I was not blessed with good-looking hat. I don't look good in a hat, put it that way. And then this is Coco. So this is Tammy. And I did a video on her, dressed her like Cruella. So there's a video with that, but she's really pretty. Tammy always had the gorgeous hair.
And it used to be blonde like that.
Yeah, we all had blonde like this. It's gotten, well, Tracy didn't, but the two of us did.
You always had your toe heads, yeah.
Yeah. All right, so let me show you the other goodies besides the
This is
hat.
really
Nice fabric. Oh, we've got Cruella and then the Snow White Wicked Queen.
Yeah.
This will be nice.
And those are small. I know you're starting to sew for Blythe dolls now, so those you could cut out the top. That's the circle small enough to fit on the top of a Blythe doll dress.
That'll be nice. Bad news, is it bad vibes only?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and same with that one. So yeah, you could have her face at the top of the dress.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so.
That's cute. And I really like this stuff. Cruella de Vil with all the Dalmatian dots.
Yeah, that's cute.
That is cute. So now I have to sew. Here's Tammy's card.
Now, did I put some hands in there for you?
Oh yeah, we got lots of hands.
Okay,
yes.
good. I was make sure.
Yeah, don't they all come with a bunch of hands?
Not all the time. It depends on who you get them from.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they do. Most of the time they do. And when you buy them on Ally, they'll show you if they have hands or not. But sometimes they won't. It depends. Just depends on who's selling it.
Well, it's nice to have the different hands. And if you have a hard time getting them clothes, you can just pop their hands off and put their clothes on. So.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. And that is a problem with those, especially because their fingers are like this sometimes.
Yeah. Well, but you can keep bracelets on them easier.
Yes, that's true too. Yes. Especially those little bangle bracelets you make for them. You can take their hand off, put it on, and then it stays on their hand too, which is nice.
Yeah. And they're little surfer bracelets too.
Cute. Well, I'm glad you liked it. And now you have like a proper doll collection as far as Blythe goes.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. And then the other one.
Yeah. So now too, so just so you guys know, Terry's also, she has started sewing for her Blythe dolls, and I'm going to plug my new series that I'm working on called Blythe Sewing Basics. And she's not a newbie seamstress, but she's just now sewing for Blythe dolls. So
I sew masks and stuff like that. But when it comes to actually something that's constructed like a dress, it's a little different.
Yeah. So she's one of those people I kind of was thinking of when I was putting together the series, and I have a playlist for it. So, and at the point in time of filming this, I've only got like one video out, but I've got another in the works. And I have a big long list of I'm trying to chunk it up. So if you are someone who wants to sew for your Blythe doll, keep an eye out for that. But otherwise, is there anything else you want to add before I sign off here?
No. By the way, her list was probably from a lot of the questions that I've asked in the past.
Well, yeah, and I mean, that's true. I mean, actually, viewers are the ones that have been asking. And so I was like, and I've had other viewers say things about wanting to sew for their Blythe doll. So I finally thought, you know what? I'll just put my teacher hat on. I am a teacher. So, I have taught people how to sew before in person. So I'm just going to, you know, try to figure out a way to do it more
virtually.
mail. It's going to be in another video. So make sure you subscribe. Of course, we always appreciate a thumbs up. And thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure you keep an eye out for the next video. We're both going to show what's in here. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.